Hey there, English learners, welcome to English Stories with Alex. I'm Alex, and I've got something exciting for you today. Picture this. You understand English perfectly when you're listening, but the moment someone asks you a question, your mind goes blank. You freeze up. You know the words, but they just won't come out. Sound familiar? Don't worry. You're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem. We're talking about building English sentences fast, speaking with confidence, and never getting stuck searching for words again. Here's the thing. You don't need perfect grammar to speak fluently. You don't need to memorize 1,000 rules. What you need are simple techniques that train your brain to respond quickly. By the end of this episode, you'll have 10 powerful methods to speak English more naturally. And trust me, these work for anyone at any level. So let's jump right in. Why most English learners get stuck. Before we dive into the solutions, let's talk about the problem. Most English learners try to build perfect sentences in their head before speaking. Big mistake. Fluency isn't about perfection. It's about confidence. It's about training your brain to respond fast with simple, effective sentences. Think about it. Native speakers don't create perfect sentences every time. They use simple structures. They build on patterns, and they speak without overthinking. That's exactly what we're going to teach you today. The 10 game-changing techniques. Technique 1 Master. Simple sentence structures. Stop trying to sound like a professor. Start with basics like, I like coffee, or she is happy. These sentences are fast, clear, and easy to build on. Simple structures are your foundation. Once you master these, everything else becomes easier. Technique 2. Learn common sentence patterns. English follows predictable patterns. Subject plus verb plus object. Like, he reads books. They eat lunch. We watch movies. Practice these patterns until they become automatic. When patterns are natural, fluency follows. Technique 3. Use the shadowing method. This one's powerful. Listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it out loud. Copy the speaker's tone and rhythm exactly. Shadowing connects sounds, words, and sentence flow all at once. It's like training your mouth and brain together. Technique 4. Practice. Question and answer. Drills. Ask yourself questions and answer quickly. What did you do today? I cleaned my room. Where do you live? I live in New York. This builds quick thinking in English. It's like having conversations with yourself. Technique 5. The timer challenge. Set a timer for 1 minute. Pick any word. Then make as many different sentences as possible using that word. This pushes your brain to work fast. It breaks through your comfort zone and builds speaking speed. Technique 6. Memorize common phrases. Learn phrases like, I think so, that's interesting, or can you help me? These come up constantly in conversations. When you memorize these, they pop out instantly. No thinking required. Technique 7. Describe what you see. Look around and say what's happening. The sun is shining. A woman is walking. I see 2 cars parked. This trains your brain to think directly in English without translation. Technique 8. Stop mental translation. This is huge. Don't think in your native language first. Look at something and name it directly in English. Mental translation slows you down. Direct thinking speeds you up. Technique 9. Practice storytelling. Tell short stories, even just 2 or 3 sentences. Yesterday I went shopping. I bought some groceries. Then I came home and cooked dinner. Storytelling builds natural rhythm and flow. Technique 10. Practice with real people. Join language groups. Find conversation partners. Talk with friends who are also learning. Real interaction forces your brain to respond faster. Nothing beats actual conversation practice. Let's put these into action. Now, let's see these techniques in action. Simple sentence practice. Listen to these: I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. Simple, right, but powerful. Master these basics first. Speed comes from simplicity. Common pattern practice. Pattern 1 subject plus verb plus object. She reads a book. Pattern 2. Subject plus verb plus adjective. The coffee is hot. Pattern 3. Subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun. He walks to the store. Repeat these patterns often. Make them automatic. Shadowing practice. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it immediately after me, copying my rhythm and speed. I'm going to the market. Now you try, I'm going to the market. It might feel hard at first, but your brain learns to build sentences quickly over time. Question and answer. Practice. Question: What do you usually eat for breakfast? Answer: I usually eat eggs and toast. Again, what do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat eggs and toast. Keep practicing with new questions. Timer challenge. Example: Let's pick the word book. Set your timer for 1 minute and make sentences. The book is interesting. I love reading books. My book is on the table. She bought a new book. The time pressure trains quick thinking. Common phrases. Practice. How are you? I'm not sure. That sounds good. No problem. Say these several times. Next time you speak, they'll come automatically. Describing practice. Look around you right now. I see a lamp on the desk. There's a cup next to it. The window is closed. Try this now. Describe your surroundings in simple English sentences. Stop translation practice. Look at something blue. Don't think of the word in your native language. Just think blue directly in English. Practice this every day. Your speaking speed will improve dramatically. Storytelling example. Yesterday, I went to the store. I bought some bread and milk. Then I came home and made a sandwich. Simple, but it flows naturally. Try telling your own 3-sentence story. Real conversation practice. Imagine someone asks, "What did you do today?" You answer, "I studied English, went for a walk, and cooked dinner." Practicing with others makes everything feel more real and natural. The amazing benefits you'll experience. Benefit 1. No more hesitation. When you train with simple sentences and patterns daily, you stop pausing to think about grammar. Your brain just knows what to say. Benefit 2. Massive confidence boost. Imagine answering questions instantly in conversations. When you practice these techniques daily, nervousness disappears. Confidence takes its place. Benefit 3. Natural fluency. You won't sound like someone translating word by word. You'll sound like someone who actually thinks in English. Benefit 4. Better listening skills. Shadowing practice trains your ears to catch sounds, stress, and rhythm. This makes understanding fast English much easier. Benefit 5. Faster mental processing timer practice and storytelling force your brain to react quickly. You'll keep up with group conversations easily. Benefit 6. Improved pronunciation. Shadowing and phrase repetition help you copy natural English sounds and melody. Your speaking becomes more engaging. Benefit 7. Real-life connection. Practicing with people connects English to your actual life. This makes learning more meaningful and effective. Benefit 8. Direct English thinking. When you stop translating, you free your mind to focus on ideas, not just words. This is when fluency really takes off. Benefit 9. Consistent progress. Daily practice gives you consistency. Even just 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference over time. Benefit 10. Personal achievement. You'll look back and realize how far you've come, from struggling with basic sentences to expressing thoughts naturally. That's an amazing feeling. Your step-by-step action plan. Step 1. Choose your starting point. If you're new to speaking, begin with simple sentence structures. Write down short sentences like, I like pizza, or he plays tennis. Practice saying them several times daily. Step 2. Master sentence patterns. Create lists with common structures. I eat pizza. She reads books. They play soccer. Practice these out loud, gradually making them more complex. Step 3. Add shadowing to your routine. Choose short sentences from podcasts or videos. Listen carefully and repeat immediately. Match the rhythm, speed, and tone perfectly. Step 4. Train with questions and answers. Write down common conversation questions like, where are you from? Or what do you do? Practice answering as quickly as possible. Step 5. Push your limits with timers. Give yourself 1 minute to make as many sentences as possible using a random word. This trains quick thinking under pressure. Step 6. Memorize. Essential phrases. Learn expressions like, how are you? I don't know. Or, let's go. Have these ready so you don't need to think about them. Step 7. Practice. Daily description. Look around and describe what you see. There's a man walking. The sky is clear. I see a car driving by. This builds natural fluency. Step 8. Eliminate mental translation. When you see something, think about it directly in English. If you see a cat, just think cat without translating first. Step 9. Develop storytelling skills. Start with simple stories about your day. I woke up, had breakfast, and went to work. Add more details as you improve. Step 10. Practice with real people. Join language exchange groups online or in person. Real conversations are invaluable for improvement. You'll make mistakes, but that's how you learn. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Overcomplicating sentences. Don't try to create complex sentences when starting. Focus on simple structures first. Complexity comes with time. Mistake 2. Ignoring basic patterns. Without knowing basic structures, you'll struggle to build sentences quickly. Practice common patterns until they're automatic. Mistake 3. Poor shadowing technique. Listen carefully to rhythm and tone. Don't just repeat words. Copy everything about how the speaker sounds. Mistake 4. Hesitating during practice. Don't worry if your answers aren't perfect. Focus on forming sentences quickly. Perfection comes with practice. Mistake 5. Stressing. During timer practice, the goal is quick thinking, not perfect sentences. Don't stress about mistakes. Just keep speaking. Mistake 6. Skipping common phrases. These are essential for fluency. Without them, you'll struggle to find the right words in conversations. Mistake 7. Over-focusing on grammar. When describing what you see, don't overthink grammar. Just say what you observe, even if it's not perfectly structured. Mistake 8. Mental translation habit. This is the biggest obstacle to fluency. Train yourself to think directly in English for faster, more confident responses. Mistake 9. Overcomplicating stories. Start with simple, clear stories. Don't focus too much on details or perfect grammar at first. Mistake 10. Practicing alone. Too much. While solo practice is important, interacting with others is essential. You learn from mistakes and improve much faster with real conversations. Your challenge starts now. Here's your mission. Set a timer for 1 minute and make as many sentences as you can using the word home or work. Ready for more? Try shadowing with a short English video or podcast. Repeat what the speaker says immediately after they speak. Focus on matching their rhythm perfectly. Practice question and answer drills. Have someone ask you questions in English and respond as quickly as possible. No partner use apps or ask yourself questions in front of a mirror. Use sentence patterns every day. Start with simple structures like I like or she goes, and gradually add more detail. Make this part of your daily routine. Describe your environment constantly, whether you're at home, at work, or outside. Start describing what you see in English. Use complete sentences, even simple ones. Take the direct thinking challenge. Go for a walk and describe your thoughts or surroundings, but only in English. No translation allowed. Practice storytelling daily. Start with simple stories about your day or recent events. Gradually make them longer by adding more details. Memorize 10 common phrases every week. Expressions like, how are you? Or what time is it? Will make conversations flow more naturally. Find a conversation partner. Practice speaking with friends or family members in English for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Join online language exchange groups. Find partners from around the world who want to practice English. This real-life practice is invaluable. Wrapping it all up, we've covered 10 powerful techniques to help you form sentences quickly and speak English with confidence. Simple structures, common patterns, shadowing, and many other practical strategies. If you've been following along, you're already improving your sentence-building skills. Remember, fluency comes from consistency. Apply these techniques every day to see real results. The key is daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day using these methods will make a huge difference over time. Don't give up when it feels challenging. Every English speaker started exactly where you are now. With consistent practice, you'll get there too. Your fluency journey starts with the first sentence you speak. Make today that day. I'd love to hear about your progress. Which techniques worked best for you? What challenges are you facing with building sentences quickly? If you made it all the way to the end, you're serious about improving your English. Leave a comment with the word fluency so I know you're committed to reaching your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to English Stories with Alex and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss any future lessons that will help you master English. If this episode helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps other English learners find this content too. Share this with anyone who's struggling to speak English fluently. Together, we can help more people build confidence in English. Thanks for joining me today on English Stories with Alex. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember that fluency comes with time and effort. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep building those sentences and speaking with confidence.